I don't know who's Rob and Nash. Who's the involved of Tacloban shooting. I think they're older than one of students of Teacher Alex, Sandra Pagkalinawan, my arch enemy. They're older than Rob and Nash. I mentioned. You remember they're older than Gab Marquez and Alvin De Leon. Because they're the one who is a perpetrator. They use a revolver, a pistol, and Glock 17 pistol. Oh, which is not a pellet gun. It was a real gun. Oh. I know they're playing at Roblox. That is a immature violent video game. You remember I'm saying what happened in Thailand in 2008? The man who killed the taxi driver in 2008. 2008, I'm just saying. It was year 2008 for playing GTA 4. Oh. That's what I warned Mark Domingo Cruz to stop playing about immature violent video game like GTA 5. That's why your addiction anyway for playing GTA. Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. You force Christian Mengito to play GTA. Christian Mengito doesn't like violence. Oh, do you want to be happen to Rob and Nash, who is the perpetrator in of the San Jose National High School for playing Roblox and playing GTA? I'm just saying to you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, your immature video game must be stopped. Because you're addicted on violence. I'm telling you, you're playing violence. Like Jordan Bunagan. He always do violence. And he wants to kill me also. You know, Jordan Bunagan. You might influence with Mark Domingo Cruz for playing GTA. Oh. Because you're influenced to play GTA. Like Paulo Cruzada, he was scolded by his parents for his influence to play GTA because of bomb joke and bomb threat. Oh, look at Gina Sergio and Jeffrey Sergio for playing GTA. Oh, they will reprimand their mother, even that husband, even the daughter of Gina Sergio. Who's it? Gracia Asejo, and even Kyle Asejo. Oh, they're playing violence video games like GTA. Oh, that's the reason. You know, folks, I am just gonna say to everyone, oh, unlike teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, she play a GTA 5. She never reprimanded by her sister, even her father. Because she's playing GTA. She likes violence. Oh. Now, as you can see, she will no longer to play GTA. Oh. This is hard to say to those youth anyway. I am feel not really interested to play GTA. If I'm saying to all of you, don't play Roblox, don't play GTA. Because the ones you play GTA, you might be influenced with Robin Nash. You will be influenced in last 2008, in 15 years ago. The man who's an 18 years old who killed the taxi driver for playing GTA 4. Oh, and as I'm a content creator, when I play GTA, oh, like I advise to teacher Jessa Fernandez and her son, Gian, not to play what's that, Roblox. That might influence to Rob and Nash, because I know those people are playing violence video game. Oh, I warn Ate Nenet, Ate Nenet Manalo, if you're watching this, you tell your nephew, Dion, oh, even Ate Dayan, to limit Dion not to play Roblox. Oh, it's better for Dion play a Sims 4 in his cell phone, just like Terra Francisco. Oh, and I say to Mark Dion, do not play violence. Oh, that will be trigger of your addiction for playing Roblox. Roblox is just like GTA. They want to shoot gun, they want to kill anything. Oh, that's violence. As I'm saying, it's too much violence. As I remember, I warned Mark Domingo Cruz and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. They should stop playing GTA. Oh, that GTA anyway, it's a cause of addiction of Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz for saying bad words. That's what I'm meaning, that causing GTA, because I was told by Jerick Silva that GTA is really violence. Sabi sa akin ni Jerick, violence pala tong GTA. Oh, because it's not really good to play GTA. Oh, that's kind of violence. As for me, I was told by David Gill. Do you remember what that game anyway? Jumpstart. Oh, I was told by my friend JD Vinegas. There's a game in PS4. Oh, Ghost of Tsushima. Oh, it's very history about the Japanese Endo period. Oh, I was received that from Kuya MA. That I received the PS4 game. Oh, what's that? Ghost of Tsushima. And now I learn about the Japanese history. Oh, that is education. Oh, thanks to JD Vinegas. He said to me, JD Vinegas told me, Ghost of Tsushima, it's an education history in Japan. Not too much violence. Oh, because this is hard to say to those youth. When you play Roblox, it's violence. Oh, me, I play Call of Duty, Modern Warfare. That 1 and 2 and 3, that all the reboots. And it's not really violence. Oh, it's a counter-terrorism and tactical unit. Oh, and special operation forces and military team. Oh, it's not violence. But the real violence anyway, GTA. Oh, GTA is a cause of violence. Just like I remember Zachary. Oh, the tutorial of Teacher May. I mentioned he was addicted to play GTA. Oh, 2016, I remember. 2017, I remember Zachary. I asked Zachary, why are you playing GTA? Oh, and I said to him, I don't know, I want to play GTA. Oh, that's really violence. Oh, when Teacher Bea Belmonte and we warned Zachary not to play GTA. Oh, because I know Teacher May says to me, oh, let Zachary be. And he always playing GTA. Oh, the GTA, I have to say to everyone, it's really violence. Oh, I'm asking to Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. Oh, I am warning you. If you once you play GTA, oh, like GTA 5, that is a violence. Oh, I know I was told my friend Ayub Tantush, my Libyan friend. He said to me, he want to offer me to play GTA 5. Oh, I rejected him. I said, no, I don't want to play GTA. Oh, because it's violence. And I reject my friend Ayub. I will never play GTA. Oh, because I know his parents, even his father, Ashtiwi, had reprimand Ayub not to play GTA. Because I know Ashtiwi, that was a father of Ayub, he's a Libyan diplomat. He said to Ayub not to play GTA. Mark Cruz. This is hard to say, folks. That GTA is really violence. As I'm a video game advocate, oh, as I'm a gamer advocate, I know all those things in part of the video games are violence, like GTA. Just remember Mark Domingo Cruz. Play anything games in PS4. At least you play Need for Speed. At least you play Gran Turismo 7. It's not really violence. At least you, Mark Domingo Cruz, you play Call of Duty, Modern Warfare, that all the reboot game. You play that in PS4. You play all the classic video games. I saw his in Instagram. Need for Speed Carbon, Need for Speed Undercover. And even you play Need for Speed Most Wanted in my throwback years, and even Need for Speed Underground 2. It's not really violence. The real violence anyway, your addiction anyway, Mark Cruz, is GTA. That is a violence because for those youth anyway, we need to make sure that if you play video games are not really truly violence, then don't play too much violence. That's the why those people are really stubborn. For example, my nephew Miggy, he never play Roblox. Because I know Kuya Mike Labitag had reprimand Miggy Labitag, don't play Roblox. But I'm okay with Miggy Labitag. He play Roblox. It's good to him. Making education or educating to other people. But the Roblox, I mentioned, it's really violence. I don't want to get other people might get in harm. Don't play Roblox. If you're watching this, Ate Mayang, you need to advise your son, RM. Play other games that in your cell phone, not Roblox. Play to RM, Roblox also, better. You make your own educating about what's that I remember in Roblox. I say to RM, you play Minecraft, Minecraft, Roblox, that's very educating. But that Roblox is violence. Have you ever seen when I was in Fukuoka, Japan, I see those South Korean kids? They're older than RM and Onyok. That kid anyway, he's not playing GTA. He's playing shooting, like Korean games. It's not really violence. It's a military tactical. The reason why, if you play Roblox, it's causing addiction. I warn Mark Domingo Cruz. If you threaten me to throw me in the cliff, put me in the car trunk, and throw me in the cliff, in the mountain, and you make me die, just like what happened, just like the character of the Trevor in GTA, that's a violence, Mark Cruz. That's why Luis Cabales doesn't like the immature video game GTA.